Hi everyone, I'm Hallie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show a journal that I did with a sort of tea/autumnal theme. So here we go. I made some quote cards and wrapped them in music paper, and then there's a cute little sticker there that I think I got from an Etsy shop, I'm not sure, years ago. And then here's the journal. And I got this is an upcycled book. I got it at a thrift store, and I thought, well, if I don't like the book, then I know what I'm going to do with it. And I didn't love it, so you'll see why I got this book. Okay, so this is the original cover. This is out of my 2018 Cuppa Gratitude Digi-Kit that I did, and I secured the spine with Tyvek, and then this is a traveler's notebook. I put these little button thingies here because I made this a little crooked, so then I thought, well, I'm just doing this from now on and calling it a design feature. Here is some really pretty scrapbook paper on the back, and oh, let me show you the scrapbook paper that I used for this, because this is one of my favorites. Wonderful tea themed. I think you can still get it on Amazon. Yeah, so that's the scrapbook paper I used. And okay, now, oh, and this is what the original book was, if you care. But see, it had a paw print. Couldn't go wrong with that, except I didn't love it. Anyway, okay, here we go. Ready? La! Look at that beautiful marbled paper. So I just thought, oh, I know what I'm doing with this. So, okay, so I have two inserts on elastics. This is a little note that I printed out on parchment paper. There's my fake little wax seal that I do. Here's a little paper clip thingy holding it together. There's a little pocket, and this comes from the scrapbook paper kit. And then I just did tea stain paper, blank, and very fountain pen friendly. And that's the first insert. And then here's the second insert. Let me do that. Okay, there we go. Another one of those, and then more tea stain paper. I'm trying to get to the center. Ah, there we go. So you can see that it's removable. And then I did these little thingies, you know, on the strings. I don't usually do that, but I thought it was cute and color coordinated. And then there's the back, and there's my signature and the back of the journal, and that's it. So there you go. I'll have links for everything down below in the description box, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye!